that, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Titus Bayu.
My name is Naila Mutia Hanza.
My name is Rifa Arifa.
My name is Dara.
My name is Alia Konita.
My name is Asinita.
The title of the story I read before is A Mix of Colors and Culture by Read Books 2020. Benefit after reading the story, getting to know the cultural diversity and specialties of other countries can increase our knowledge about these countries, foster a sense of appreciation for differences, understanding to the diversity, and also foster tolerance. What I felt after reading the story, I was amazed by the cultural diversity depicted in the story, from the students performing different types of dance and from different countries, to the parents serving the traditional food items of their native stories. Native countries. 10 difficult words. 1. Usher. In Indonesia means mengantar atau diantar. Example sentence. I ushered my nephew to play in the park. 2. Gracefully. In Indonesia means dengan anggun. Example sentence. She played piano gracefully. 3. Extinguish. In Indonesia means memadamkan. Example sentence. The firefighter extinguished the flame within an hour. 4. Excessive. In Indonesia means berlebihan. Example sentence. These items are excessive to me. 5. Chint. In Indonesia means menipali. Example sentence. She chimed the conversation between me and John. 6. Don't. In Indonesia means mengenakan. Example sentence. Ray donned the wrong dress code to the party last night. 7. Billowing. In Indonesia means mengepul. Example sentence. The bonfire emits thick billowing smoke. 8. Snuck. In Indonesia means menyelinap. Example sentence. My sister and I snuck through the back door last night because our parents would get angry if they found out we were late. 9. Reluctantly. In Indonesia means dengan enggan. Example sentence. I reluctantly refused her invitation. 10. Mesmerize. In Indonesia means terpesona. Example sentence. The groom is mesmerized by sight of the bride walking down the aisle.
For the title is Buying a New Car. Vocabularies. First, cost. In Indonesian language, mean is biaya. Second, wondered. In Indonesian, bertanya-tanya. The third, fewer. In Indonesian, lebih sedikit. Fourth, spending. In Indonesian, pengeluaran. Allowance. In Indonesian, uang saku. A lot. In Indonesian, the mean banyak. Such. In Indonesian, the mean seperti. Repay. In Indonesian, the mean membayar kembali. Agree. In Indonesian means sepakat. Enough. The mean cukup. For the sentence, first, the cost of living is very expensive. For the second, have you wondered about the government? The third, I bought fewer books this year. Fourth, students spend a lot of money on tuition fees. 5. My mom gave me an allowance. 6. There is a lot of books in my bed. 7. Not everyone gets such an opportunity. 8. I must repay my debt. 9. She agreed with my idea. 10. I have enough money to pay.
title Beach Day, published in 2020. Difficult verb, dashed. This means putus-putus. Example for sentence, the phone sound is dashed. The second, which berpaku atau berlari. Example for sentence, the horse raced fast. Stopping atau menghentikan. Example sentence, then stop your feet on the table. The verb sunrise is mean gaul musim panas. Example for sentence, why are you wearing sunrise? The verb rub is mean digosok. Example for sentence, then rub the counters. The sixth, backwards is mean putu-buku. Example for sentence, muti the backwards. The second, works is mean ombak. Works on the beach. Then the eighth, annual is mean tahunan. Example for sentence, annual allowance. The ninth, sandcastle is mean istana pasir. Example for sentence, my sister went in sandcastle. The tenth, cranes is mean biji-bijian. Example for sentence, the bird eats grains. Moral and feeling after reading. Glad to see the warm relationship between Margaret and her mother, motivated by Margaret's enthusiasm and eagerness to learn and participate in the sandcastle competition next year.
The title of the story, I Am Not Eating That, by W.M. Akers. 10 difficult vocabularies. 1. Sleepovers, menginap. 2. Concoction, ramuan. 3. Squeak, mencicit. 4. Exhausted, lelah. 5. Fall, busuk. 6. Coaxing, bujuk. 7. Excited, ragu-ragu. 8. Itchy, gatal. 9. Cramp, sempit. 10. Disappear, menghilang. Example sentence, I always look forward to sleepovers at my friend's house. 2. The chef created a unique concoction by mixing various spices and herbs to enhance the flavor of the dish. 3. The little mouse let out a tiny squeak as it scurried across the kitchen floor. 4. I feel exhausted and can barely keep my eyes open from working all day. 5. The apple is cold because it was not stored in the refrigerator. 6. She kept coaxing the little cat to come out from under the table. 7. He hesitated before answering the difficult question. 8. After wearing the wool sweater, my skin felt so itchy. 9. The small room felt cramped with so many people inside. 10. The magician made the rabbit disappear in a blink of an eye. Content of the story. Rebecca was the new kid at school and didn't have any friends yet. She met Carrie, a cheerful girl who immediately invited her to be friends and to a sleepover at Harry's house. They played one of the weird games called What's for Dinner, where they had to drink a mixture of strange foods. At first, Rebecca wanted to leave, but she joined the game and turned the situation around. In the end, the three of them laughed together and realized they had become good friends. Moral value, don't get too comfortable in your comfort zone. Try to step out of it to gain new or valuable experience, and don't be too quick to judge others negatively if you don't fully know them yet.
The title is A Special Visitor. Difficult word. decent. The meaning is baik atau cukup layak. The example, he has a decent job. Halt. The meaning is berhenti atau menghentikan sesuatu. The example, the train hit at the station. Shivering. The meaning is gemetar atau menggigil karena kedinginan. The example, she was shivering in the cold. The meaning is nyeri atau sakit. The example, she has body ache after exercising. Abruptly. The meaning is secara tiba-tiba atau mendadak. The example, he stopped abruptly. Sulky. The meaning is murung atau marah karena kesal atau kecewa. The example, she looked sulky after losing the game. Enroll. The meaning is mendaftar atau bergabung dalam suatu program atau acara. The example, she enrolled in a university course. Vigorously. The meaning is penuh semangat, kuat atau energi. The example, he shook his hand vigorously. Flutter. The meaning is bergetar atau bergerak cepat. The example, her heart fluttered when she saw him. Inspecting. The meaning is memeriksa sesuatu dengan teliti. The example, the officer is inspecting the document. Moral of the story. Compassion matters. Small acts of kindness like love, care, and humor can make a patient experience better. Second, little moments can have big impact. Third, family is important. Fourth, don't judge book quickly. Summary. Look, a medical student is making his rounds at the hospital and checking on his patient Joe. Joe is grumpy about the hospital food but still eats it every day, which Luke playfully teases him about after attending his classes. Luke returns to Joe's room and prepares for his usual complaints. However, a surprise visitor, Joe's doctor, arrived, bringing Joe to tears. Luke, witnessing this emotion, poignant release, it's the first time he has seen Joe smile.
The title Quinceañeras. The word is accompanied ditemani to make pembantu, semblan, pelayan pribadi, for central pengiring, 5 glorify, jagungkan, 6 elaborate, rumit, 7 attend, menghadiri, 8 dedicate, diputuskan, 9 about, melimpah, 10 addition, tambahan, the center, the president of the country attend the international conference accompanied by the minister. The second, the Wetterly family had several men to take care of their late mentioned. The third, the king kept ambulance were receptionable for attending to his every need. For celebrity entourage charisma to be felt. 5. The king was glorified by the person. 6. The couple spent months planning and elaborate wedding ceremony with hundreds of guests and a live orchestra. 7. The student parents could not attend their graduation ceremony because they were out of the town. 8. He is a dedicated employee in the kitchen. 9. Of opportunities both in the big city. 10. The project requires an education of all.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi